welcome back to my crafty corner. So I'm gonna do the little flip through of our little album that we were making. So front cover, just layered that up. Got some washi numbers, little paper dolls. That's the back side there. It's a little washi, some more paper. These are the back drops. That's washi tape from Tim Holtz. Pretty much all of the ephemera, well, I think all of the ephemera is Tim Holtz ephemera. Paper dolls and botanicals, and then layers, I think is what these are called. All right. Except for this little pocket die here is not a Tim Holtz. It's a Maddie's Craft Designs. And so we did that on the front, layered that up. I just made some little tags to stick in here. But pretty much since I think the last video I did, all I've done is go through and add the ribbon and things like that. So these just inked on the back. Haven't really done anything else to it. So those just slip in there like that. Okay, and then this one here, we were using the little file folders. We did a little postcard using some stamps, more of the paper dolls, the rub-ons, more of the little ephemera. I haven't put things on every page because I'm not sure. I might want to put a larger photo than the 3x4s, I think is what I ended up having it like this right here, and that can be removed. So not sure yet exactly what to do there. So I did leave some blank. We used the little paper sacks that I just inked and stamped on. More of those botanicals, paper dolls. Just another one with little tags. And then pocket cards. That's the large one. I just had to trim it down. Then that just slips in there. And then, like I said, put this on there. That comes out so that you can pull that out, stick the photo in, and then just use this in a different spot. Got a pocket card there. Just using that large. And then this one, this actually comes off. And then this lifts up. You could have some like hidden journaling there. And behind on this little piece as well. And just use that little clip because it's just so cute. And then another little pocket card, just layered that up. Did some faux vintage tape. The back side of that one's just plain. Did another little sack with that tape. Some of the worn wallpaper bits. Another little tag and a pocket card in there. Just used a corner punch and a decorative punch. This is the label tag dies. Just stuck that there like that, and then I do believe this is a little pocket here, so these little ones come out. This is actually stamped on, or not stamped on, printed out. It's just a printable that I have, and then I stamped on the other side of that and then inked it just to make it a little label. It's just stuck in there. And then, so that flips over that way. Stamped on the back of that. Have another one of those here. And then this one, I did end up going through, and I don't know if I showed this or not, but I did end up going through and adding a little Velcro just to keep that closed. And these are just a couple of the large pocket tags. And then we inked on there, and I just used this, did some collage stamping. I just did a big sheet and then just cut those down. And then just made that a little tuck. And then just added a little piece of ephemera here. And actually you can tuck, that's kind of a little tuck area there. So you could tuck something in there if you just absolutely want to. And that kind of does lift that up a bit. Just used one of the little tiny paper clips and the little metal embellishment there. It says joyful. And Did another one here, just cut some of that extra worn wallpaper down, and it just pops out. The little photo corners, I got those off of Amazon, I do believe. And so I got clear and black, and I ended up really liking the black ones here. All right, this one right here, just layered it up, just got a pocket tag in there. And this is kind of left open here so that if, you know, you wanted to have an extra little tuck there as well, you know, you can tuck something in behind that. Right, just left the back of that. Still got the front of that one plain. Did another one of these on the back side here. And then in this one, we've got the little policy envelope die. No, mister, no. You can't have my ribbons. No. Oh, I didn't ink that. I need to go back through and ink that. But there's just a little something in there. Just some ephemera, backed it on some cardstock. And did that like so. And then also have one of these tucked in there. A journal on the back, and then put your picture there. And then that just sits down like that. And then nothing on the back. And then the back here, just some more of those little tags using some stamping. And then the two larger ones here in the back, just using cardstock and the collage paper and collage medium. No, you can't have it. You can't have it. And then those get just tucked in like that. And that's it. I was afraid to actually add anything else because it did end up getting to be a little chunk. So, yeah. And then this is the binder things. And I went through, and I believe in the description, I know I've kind of just copied that over from one to the other, but I don't think I could find those anywhere. So, but I'm pretty sure there are some different ones out there that you could find, or you don't even have to do this. You could just do this and use a different type of binding. But yeah, so that's it. That's our little book. I'm gonna call it finished. I think I've got plenty in there now. It's pretty thick, and once you add photos, you know, it would thicken up even more. And you know, could always do a type of a closure on there to help keep it, you know, together more like that. But yeah, so I really like how it turned out, though. You can let me know what you think, and if you like it, yeah, let me know. Leave me a comment. I'd like to hear what you think. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Subscribe and click that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I do upload videos. And thank you for watching.